Hey everybody, we're at 1252 Little Sidney Drive in Las Vegas. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and it's $585,000.
This home is located just off the 215 freeway. It's near Sunset Park, which Sunset Park has great amenities like tennis courts, pickleball, and also a great pond that you can actually do some fishing at.
It's also 5 minutes from the Strip, which is really great. You could just jump on the freeway right here. You can also go down to the Strip if you want to get some great food out there and some great dining and shopping. So we're going to go ahead and show you this property. We're going to jump right in. We're at 1252 Little Sidney. This property has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-story. And here we have a 3-car garage. So if you don't have enough cars, you definitely have storage here. Possibility for RV parking. You would cement it right here. And they already have the gate, which is really nice. Lots of trees for shade. And you can cement all of this right here. We're gonna walk over here. Beautiful tree. It's for shade as well. Here's the neighborhood. Nice quiet neighborhood. Got some flower bed right here with the bricks. So pretty. And then we'll go over to the other side of the property here. So there's more property on the other side of this gate right here. Let's go on inside. All right. Now this property has vaulted ceilings. Look at how beautiful these stairs are. Here's the formal living room. This video doesn't do it justice, but it is a large formal living room here. So nice. Now right behind me is the formal dining room area. Again, it's a good sized dining room area. And that circle up there is where you put your light. So you have the hanging light here. We're gonna go into the kitchen. White cabinets, stainless steel appliances. So it comes with the refrigerator, the stove, the microwave. Beautiful backsplash. And here's the cooktop with the vent. Comes with the dishwasher as well. Has the farm sink, large farm sink, and a beautiful faucet here. Great countertops. And here is the living room area. It's a good sized living room area as well. Does have a fireplace. Brick wall back there. So pretty. So we're gonna go outside. This property does have these beautiful stainless steel windows. All right, we're walking over here to the laundry room. Here's the laundry room. Lots of cabinets up here for storage. We do a Costco run, put some linen up there. And here is the garage. Again, 3-car garage. Lots of storage space here. Okay, I'm gonna go back. This is the downstairs bedroom. It again is a good sized bedroom. What I like about this bedroom, not only does it have a closet, but it has the attached door here for the downstairs bathroom. And it has a full shower as well. So your guests will definitely have a full shower, which is so nice. Here's a sink, beautiful countertop. Okay, that's the downstairs. We are gonna go upstairs. So we're gonna go up these stairs here. Here's the hallway. And to the left, we have 1 bedroom. It's a good sized bedroom. Has the mirrored closets, ceiling fan, and we have a Jack and Jill bathroom. Cabinets, beautiful countertops. It does have tile floor in here. And it also has a full shower. And they redid this tile in the back. And a new tub. Here is the second bedroom. Attaches to the bathroom. Has a ceiling fan and some mirrored closets. These are good sized bedrooms. We are in the upstairs hall. Lots of storage up here. More linen. Here is the primary bedroom. Has vaulted ceilings. It's a great size. Definitely room for a king size bed, dressers. Here's your bay window. You could put a bench right here as well. We do have gray walls, great baseboards. So pretty. It has a walk-in closet. This is a large walk-in closet. It's hard to tell with the video, but it is a large walk-in closet. Here's the primary bathroom. Beautiful sinks. White cabinets, lots of storage. Tile flooring. Here's the sunken tub, great for relaxing. And a separate shower here for easy cleaning. So pretty, the gray tile back there matches the walls.
All right, so let's jump into our payments. I'm going to share with you 2 different payment structures. The first is going to be a 3% down payment conventional loan. If you're a first-time home buyer, this program is for you. So based on the sales price of $585 with 3% down, that's going to leave you with a loan amount of $567,450. Based on an interest rate at 7.5%, that's going to put your total monthly payment at $4,685. Now, this home has no homeowners association due, but this will include your property taxes, homeowners insurance, and your mortgage insurance. And then based on that down payment of $17,550 plus your closing costs, your total cash to close is going to be $30,550. Taking a look at our second scenario is a 20% down payment program. With 20%, that down payment amount is $117,000, making your loan amount $468,000. Based on an interest rate of 7%, that total monthly payment at $3,420, with your estimated cash to close, including that $117,000 down payment, plus your closing costs at $130,000. Now, these are just 2 different scenarios for this home. If you want to run any other payments on this property or any other property, feel free to reach back out to Bobbie and myself. Back to you, Bobbie.
That house is so pretty. This property does have the vaulted ceilings, and it also has 2,369 square feet. It's a predominantly quiet neighborhood around here with no HOA.
One of the things that I love about this home, the 4 bedrooms, one of the bedrooms and full bath is actually downstairs. So it would be what we call a mother-in-law's area, or if you've got a college kid who's needing a place to stay, that would be a great place. Also, the open floor plan with a large backyard for great entertaining.
So if you guys want to know any more information about this house or any of the other houses, Call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.